Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this detachable collar. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to make my collar. First, I'm burning ribbon ends so they don't fray. After I have prepared all my ribbons, now I'm going to pin the thinner ribbons on each end of the wide ribbon. I have pinned both thin ribbons on a centre of the wide ribbon, and now I'll be sewing there and there a straight stitch on a sewing machine. This is how it looks after I've sewed my ribbons together. Next, I'm preparing the tulle fabric. First, I'm pinning the center of the tulle and center of the ribbon. Next, I'm gathering the tulle. I'm sewing a straight stitch approximately 2.5 centimeters off the tulle edge, and I'm gathering the tulle together. I have gathered my tulle same length as the wide ribbon. Next, I'm attaching ribbon center to the tulle center. And pinning rest of the wide ribbon to the tulle, and I'm evening out the tulle so it's nice and neat. I'm folding the ribbon seam allowance inside so it's not showing on the right side, so it's tucked in inside. And I'm repeating same on the other side. Next, I'll sew a top stitch all around to attach tulle and ribbon. Now my collar is sewed together. Next, I will sew my label on the center of the collar. I'm folding my collar in half, pinning the center, and I will be sewing my label on the center. Here's my finished collar. Nice and neat finish with my label in the middle, nice back and nice front. Last thing what I need to do is to remove the cotton which I used to gather the tulle. And my detachable collar is finished. If you have any questions how I made this detachable collar, please do comment down below on the comment box. Also, go check out my other free videos on detachable collars. I will leave the links down below on description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so you can see similar videos, and I'll see you next time.